I'm Mike Welsh from Mike's Landscaping. I'm the owner of the company. I've been in business for 22 years. LMN right from the start was budgeting. Budgeting was such a huge thing that I'd missed. I'd never completed a budget before until I started up with LMN. Once I got into LMN, it was just amazing. You actually could capture everything in the company to make it all work together, and that was such a key part of my business, and it just keeps getting better and better as time goes on. With the budget, it made it so that we could see if we could actually purchase that vehicle, or did it make sense? Does it make sense to purchase more equipment or bigger equipment, or could we afford it? With the LMN budget is we add in the different hours and the different rates and see where it comes out at the end. It's really neat to see, because in the LMN budget you can add those hours, add the amount of money, and at the end of the year there's not a huge difference like that most people think. So it is nice that way. And with LMN you can just keep growing. There's no end to it. Just keep going. Yeah, LMN, the equipment side of things has made me think totally different. When you input it, it shows you exactly what's going to happen at the end of the year. And I think the way that we think is totally different than what is actually going to happen. And you put in a truck that's going to cost you $150,000, and at the end of the year it costs you, X amount. You were expecting it to be a lot more. So it's nice to see the return on investment as well in that system. So if it makes sense, do it. If it doesn't make sense, don't do it.